Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Cardano and the ADA coin. Wanted to make a full video on that today since we have again been very bullish together with the market, of course, but altogether, I mean, Cardano has been doing very well. Basically since for the last month we have been doing very well, and apart from that, the blockchain, the network is doing great as well. So I also wanted to kind of make a video on whether you should buy Cardano now or not. Obviously I don't give advice, but I'll give you my 2 cents. And at this point of time, Cardano definitely as a long-term pick becomes better, or begins looking better and better. I mean, right now a lot of people, when they're buying crypto for the long term, they always have Bitcoin, they always have some Ethereum, but I think that Cardano, XRP maybe as well if they win their lawsuit, but Cardano is securing a place there as well. With their ecosystem growing like this. But before we dive into more details on that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, then check out the links down in the description for instructions, but also trade results if you're interested in that. But now let's take a deep dive into Cardano. As I said, the network is doing quite well. Daily active addresses and daily transactions have actually dropped down, but this total value locked and around 150 million is the highest total value locked in, I'm not sure, maybe a year or a bit less than a year, I think, because you can see right here, we reached those levels as well. The last time we did that was around the beginning of May. So we're at the highest total value locked since for the last 11 months, which most of you know what happened the last 11 months. That's actually pretty good. Most cryptos are not there. So it's doing well, and apart from that, technically we also just had a bullish breakout. We with the bullish momentum that came from Bitcoin, but that Cardano is doing well obviously plays a role too. We first broke above 40 cents, and now what we just did is we broke above this minor key level right about here, or we broke above that, but now we're just barely holding on. We're holding on to this trend line that we also broke above. So now what I expect is that you can also see some bullish momentum for Bitcoin. I expect that to last. So I think we'll slowly start moving up to that level around 42 and 42.5 cents. Now, I cannot do a normal technical analysis because of the economic event coming tomorrow, which is the inflation rate. That's just going to make the market move, and Cardano as well. Otherwise, I would say that we would go up to 42 and 42.5 cents. And then from there probably drop down quite a bit, and then from that drop we could see whether we could continue it or not. But for now, what I expect is that I actually do think we can hold this level around 40.5 cents as support until the inflation rate tomorrow. So then we'll just get a bit of bullish momentum heading up to like perhaps 41.5 cents, maybe 42 cents. And then tomorrow the big thing is the inflation rate hitting and it going live. Where basically I'll make a full video on that as well on the channel tomorrow, so an inflation rate video. But in general, what you should know, keep an eye out for that, but in general what you should know is that if it's higher than expected, this one, that's bad. Way higher than expected is very bad. Then we'll drop down all the way to 38 cents. Just higher than expected is probably a drop down to 39.5 cents. And if it's lower than expected, we will easily get up to 42.5 cents with a nice probability to break above that. But as I said, I'll still make an update on that and a video on that tomorrow. For now, these are my thoughts, and this is my video and analysis on Cardano. So thank you for watching today, and take care. Bye.